Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. So today I'll be showing you how to update your phone after you rooted it, since OTA updates are disabled when you unlock the bootloader. So for example, my phone version here is actually this one, and I'm going to update to this one. So what you want to do is first download this file. I already have it downloaded, and then what you want to do is copy it over to your phone. So plug in your phone to the computer, go to your internal storage, and then copy it into basically this directory here. So your pretty much root directory, where you should see like your downloads, your camera, and stuff like that. And then what you want to do on your phone is you want to reboot. And then just unlock your phone. Then up at the top here, it'll say system update file detected. Over here, you should get a notification, and then just tap to start. And the name should be the new file that you downloaded. So yeah, the .64.1.253. Then just press OK. And as you can see here on the top, it should, and just wait for this to update. Okay, so now that it finished update, it's saying here, please restart your device, but just press later down here and go back into your Magisk manager and press the install, and you see the bottom one here, install to inactive slot after OTA. So just click this one and press OK, and then just wait for it to be done. Alright, and now just press reboot. Now it took quite a long time here to boot up, so if it takes like 2 or 3 minutes for you, then that's fine, don't worry about it. Yeah, so now let's see if we applied the update successfully. Alright, so as you can see here, it's finishing up the update, so now it's all done. System update successful. And let's see if it actually worked. Let's go into system, about phone, software information. And as you can see right now, we're on 64 instead of 44 that we were on before. Then let's see if we still have root access. And yeah, so it still works. We can apply check if the safety net works, and everything is good to go. So yeah, thanks for watching, and bye bye.